Hi everyone, so now guys we are going to unboxing my new AirPods Pro. This one. Wow, the box is too big. So I'm very much excited guys to open this. Wow, designed by Apple in California. Amazing. Yeah, I think this is the manual on how to use. Yes, of course. And this is it. Oh my god. Look at inside. What is this? There is an arrow. Yeah, we need to open, I think. Oh my god. Yeah, this is the extra for this one, for the AirPod when you lose it. And this is the charger for the AirPods. So nice. It's good. So I have guys the ordinary on the AirPods. Look. This is it. Let's try guys how it works. Wow, it's automatic. It will open this one. Amazing. And then connect at lock this one guys. It will turn and turn. It's 360. Then connect. Yes. Oh wow. Media. Wow, it says guys that's media control. Press once either AirPods to switch between noise cancellation and transparency. Ayan, so nice. Okay, skip. Announce messages. Okay, continue only. Wow, it's reading here this one. It's 46 and 35. Okay, done. And we will try guys to use this one. Okay. So just check this one guys. It's very nice. It's very nice guys. It's amazing. And now guys we need to try this one. Okay, how beautiful is this? How beautiful. How awesome this one. Try this one. Yes. Wow. So now guys we need to try to turn on and off the noise cancellation like that. So let's ask the Siri. Please turn on noise cancellation. Mm, Please turn off noise cancellation. Wait. Please turn off noise cancellation. It's off. Please turn off noise cancellation. Sorry, wait. Please turn on noise cancellation. That's good. There is one another thing, guys. If you want to go here, this one, just long press this one. And this one, you can see this one, there is a noise cancellation off and transparency. This one. Yan, kung gusto nyo guys na noise cancellation, just this one only here. It will control the noise like that one. If example, the surrounding is very noisy, just put only here. And if you want to off like this one only here, you can hear just a little bit, so it will control guy off. Then if you want guys transparency, this one, so you can hear the environment like one. If you want example, the people around you, they are talking, so you can hear like that. And this one's off, of course. Yeah, it will control your voice. That's it. That's the good thing only guys for this one, for the AirPod Pro. This two, the noise cancellation and the transparency. That's the new for the AirPods. So the best, bro. The best guys. So now guys, we will try the music quality, how it's awesome, let's try. Let's try this and try what music here. Wow. Wow guys, amazing, the quality of the sounds, the best. Wow. So the good thing for this one also guys, example, you are playing music, just you need to press only one. So to stop the music or pause the music like that, and you need to press 2 times. So it will next the music, and triple press, it will skip back the music. That's the good thing only for this one. Please don't forget to like and share and subscribe my channels. Thank you.